Hey guys, good morning. So we're with Jason.
Good morning.
I love that smile, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
It's really good to see him in good spirits. But we want to come by today to check on the little updates here, and he's got a lot of stuff, and he's ordering as he goes. And he did tell me that I think Bluto is going to be a busy guy. He's thinking about getting Bluto to kind of help him because Bluto has some of the tools and the knowledge to build. So that's his plan to get Bluto. Actually, we're looking for Bluto too. So I think he's going to be very, very busy the next few weeks, if more. But so this is some of the stuff he's got, and then he's going to build the house there. And his first thought was to do half or like 1/4 hollow blocks, and the rest like either wood or Hardaflex or plywood or whatever. But he decided to do hollow blocks to make it more strong, and I think that's a good idea. I think the more strong the house is, the better. But we do have a little surprise for you. People just really want to make sure that you do have enough budget to build the house that you want, and to make it strong and everything you need. But we have a gift from Ohio, USA. It's kind of my neighbor. I live in Michigan, and then this is actually what Michigan looks like. This is what my state where I live looks like.
Ohio.
Michigan.
Michigan
looks like a mitten.
The
And then I'm surrounded by water. I'm a peninsula. But anyway, my neighbor state is Ohio. So this is coming from Ohio.
Ohio,
USA.
Yes.
And they want to give you 10,000.
Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, thank you.
Hey, thank you, Ohio.
Thank you, Ohio.
Yeah, they want to make sure you are able to build what you want.
Yes, I will buy this to some of materials.
Yeah, and we offered to take him to the store today to get some more things, but he said he's just kind of order as he goes. So right now, this is what he has, and once he starts building, and then if he needs more, he'll get more. And I think that's good because sometimes if you let these sit for too long, they can break or whatever. But anyways, he knows what he's doing, and today he's gonna look for Bluto.
It's 40,000 save money.
That's awesome.
Yes, thank you.
It's in good hands. It's with his wife, the money. So that's what he said. He said it's safe. It's with my wife. That's funny. So how you feeling, man?
Thank you, and happy.
Yeah,
happy.
It's really awesome to see you happy.
Yes.
I mean, the very first time after the typhoon we talked to him, and it's just like so devastating. But now everyone's spirits is lifting all because of you guys, and it's really, really amazing. It's really awesome.
Yes.
Seeing everyone, their spirits getting lifted. So this was just a little drive-by. We just want to get that to him, and he's looking for Bluto. I'm looking for Bluto. So we're gonna find Bluto eventually today, and hopefully he can help with some of these houses, and among other people. If he can't, we'll get some other helps. And today we have some other gifts we're gonna give. You'll see later. So we're gonna need some handymen to help with these projects soon.
Thank you.
Awesome. It's really good to see you, and we'll be back again. And once you get started, we'll do some updates here. But all right, so I guess we'll carry on. Jason, it's really good to see you. And we'll see you guys later.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, hey guys, we're at Dodo's place. He's not here right now, but since I'm here, I'll just do a little update. It might be close to what you guys seen before. And kind of the problem is here is that, Dodo's not really a construction worker, and the person that they have, I think, can only work 1 day a week. So this is kind of slow right now. So we're trying, right now, there's so many construction workers working everywhere, so it's kind of hard to find someone right now. But I think Bluto might be working at Jason's. We were just gonna try to hire someone just to make a list of the materials that they need so we can get that for him. But I think we're also going to need someone to actually build it for him too. So anyways, that's kind of the plan, and some of you kind of interested in kind of what's going on behind the scenes. So that's what's going on here. We're going to try to find someone to help at least work every day here, because right now it's only like 1 day a week, if even that. I'm not sure how much they are able to work here, because right now Dodo is working right now, so he's doing the tricycle driving. And then right now everyone who's staying here, I think, is all back to work. I think that that's what they said. I think they so everyone that you saw before in other videos, I don't think they'll be living here permanently. They're all going back to work now. So I think they might be living somewhere else. Don't mark my words. That's what I just kind of think what's going on. Anyway, it sounds like they are gonna be able to go back to work, so that's good. But that's kind of the update here. So maybe once Dodo, we talk to him, we'll try to find him a worker, and then we'll get them situated where they can start making more progress. But anyway, I guess from here we'll move on to the next house. I just wanted to show Dodo's house for those that are interested. They did get, you know, the starting materials, but you know, the problem is they just need someone to actually do it. So I guess we'll see you guys at the next house. All right, hey guys, so we're working our way down this way, and we're at Jenny Lynn's house. We've been here before. Unfortunately, this is a house they were building before, and then when the typhoon came, it pretty much destroyed it all. But they've been working hard on this, and it's really too bad. They with the money we gave them before, they did get some materials you can see up there, and they're slowly starting to rebuild it. And kind of one of the problems kind of with other families too is her husband is working in Cebu City, and he's only available to work 1 day a week. So that's why some of these are kind of maybe a little bit slower processes. But anyway, we do have a surprise. This is from Canada, our friends from Canada, so thank you very much. They want to help you get moving a little bit faster on the house and help you along kind of what you've lost. So we kind of already talked to Jenny Lynn, and her husband is not here, but what they're going to do is make a list, and once they do make that list, we'll go to the store, either with you or without you, it doesn't matter, but we'll get the materials that you need to finish your house.
Inay mo ba natin himog lista, then kuyog dito pangumpra sa kinahanglanan nimo pabalik tungkol sa mga
Nag-ano to siya nga pag nakabaw siya nga nipalit mo ko dahil taubot niya diin ko na mo kuan siya gihatag ni nila ni nang suggestin sa salamat kuno kaayo kay kuan siya kita de ko personal ak ngay kuno siya salamat ni personal.
Her husband wanted to see you in person just to say thank you, because when he came back from work he saw, oh, you have materials here, and that's from you and your subscribers. And
Ah, cool. I'm glad that he was happy about that, because I mean, you know, he's gone all the time, so when he comes back, I mean, even on his days off of work, that his days off are the days that he works on his house. So it's like he doesn't really get a day off.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we get to help your husband out.
her husband was really happy because last time when he saw the result of typhoon, he cried because he's the one really working for it just to build this house, work, and then he's working here.
Wow.
And then,
Now that is said, I mean, you're working so hard just to get the materials, and then, you know, in one night, you know, it's all gone. I mean, that's really, really too bad. But we're excited to get this going again, and hopefully, if we do need to, because right now her husband, like I said, is working all the time in Cebu City, so we might try to find one worker just to kind of work during the days when he's not here, and maybe we can make it move along a little bit quicker. But as soon as you guys make that list, let us know, and we'll be happy to go to the store and order all the things that you guys need.
hindi mo ba natin nga pagkuha sa lista diyon, ngita mo sa tabante nga. Sisan lang ni din.
All right, so this is just a quick little visit. We kind of knew that her husband wasn't going to be here, but at least we wanted to let you guys know that what's going to happen in the future. So we might be seeing more Jenny Lynn in the future. We really want to see your house be completed, because that's really too bad. You know, building your dream home and then in one night it's just completely destroyed. And they do have a CR, so that's very cool. So that's a nice looking CR. That's cool. So anyway, I guess we'll let them be, and in the future this is another project we're going to be working on. So for now, we're take off, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, so there's Jenny Lynn, and then next is Gorio. His materials did not come in yet. We were just here the other day, and we ordered everything for him, but the materials did not come in yet. And Gorio, he's pretty much doing this himself, right? I think that's what he said last time.
Last time, and then now he got help from his son.
From his son, okay, yeah. So he has lots of families around, so he's getting help with his son. So it's nice having relatives around that they can help. So this is just the update here. I think it's probably the same as the last time we were here, because the materials didn't come in yet. But that should be coming very soon. How you doing, Gorio? So this is just a quick update here. And then their neighbor too, Cecilia, or Cecile. I'll just show here. Is it Cecilia? Okay. And that, like, then it looks like they've been digging a little bit more. Hey guys.
Oh, hi.
Hey guys, I'm with Gorio. This is just, I just want to show you how honest he is. He wanted to go back to the store and change one of the sizes for something, and he got a refund. And with that refund, he did get a little medicine for his wife, because she does have a cough. And some of you guys mentioned that in the comments that we should get her some medicine. But with that refund, they got some medicine for his wife, and he just was telling us that, and I think that's very honest. And he wanted to give us the rest of the change, but you can keep the rest of the change, okay? That's for you. But very, very honest guy, and hardworking too. He's the house is coming along, so once the materials come, they can finish the house. Yes. So Gorio, very good guy, and hopefully his wife feels better with the medicine. But anyway, I guess this is just a quick update here. I think we have one more family to meet, and then hopefully we get some materials for one of the families. I think Roney is here. He's a construction worker, so I think he can make the list himself, and we can go to the store and get the materials for him. Yes. But we'll go there last. But it's good to see you, and hopefully the materials come soon. It should be here either tomorrow or later today.
Pag-paabot lang mo sa materials, kay basin maabot to ron, ha? Okay.
So cool. So all right. So very good things happening. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, hey guys. So we're at the last house for today, and this is Rony and Maritas. All right. So we were here before, and you know, in the past videos, I think we had made a video of distributing gifts here, and that's where their house used to be. And in the meantime, of course, the typhoon, it blew it all over. But Rony is actually a construction builder, and he's been building this, you know, kind of as they go. And the plan was, once it was finished, they would move in here. But of course, because of the typhoon, it kind of forced them to move in here. And it kind of, right now, the roof is right there. I'll kind of walk inside, you can even see. But you can see that's where it's meant to be. The roof is up there. But of course this, if you haven't seen the story or the last video with them, they kind of talked about their typhoon experience. They ran from that house to here, and while they're in here, this house actually started to fall over as well. But anyway, they built what they could just to make it kind of livable with the roof on. And then just inside, this is kind of their living right now. And these are some of the books that we just gave them. That's a really cool pop-up book. They're very, very good students here. So this is just what they were able to build out of what they lost. And anyway, Rony, he is a construction worker, so he did make a list today. And this is a big thank you to my friends in Canada. So people in Canada, they wanted to help you kind of build back what you lost. So I think for today, we're just gonna go get this list, and then I think we saw some other materials being delivered today. So very, very soon, we can start rebuilding all these houses. So how do you guys feel?
Kumusta?
I mean, before, I mean, it's pretty devastating to lose everything. And they are a hardworking family, and they've been, you know, building their dream home, and then in one night, it's destroyed. So it's really, it's a good feeling to be able to help them. And thank you, Canada.
Salamat.
You're very, very welcome. So we have the list now. So we're gonna go to the store and get it ordered, and it'll probably be a couple days. But we'll come back and do some updates here.
Salamat niya na natuman gyud ang kuan ba mahuman.
They're very thankful because it will be finished, even if it was ruined last time.
Yeah, and that's too bad. Imagine building your home, you know, you work really, really hard, all the money that you earn, you put it into the house that you're building, and then having that lost. And you know, the house that they were living in, that's destroyed, and the house that they're going to move in, that pretty much got destroyed too. So that's just really, really too bad. But we're here to fix that, so that's really good news. So we're gonna go to the store. Hey, you're very, very welcome. And thank you, Canada. This is all coming all the way from Canada.
Ikan sa Canada.
Yeah. That's very, very cool. They're my neighbor. Canada is up here, and then USA, where I'm from, is down here. So they're like they're my neighbor.
Doon sa iya.
All right.
Salamat ko nga ba?
Tanim balay.
Ang balay.
She's very thankful. This is their daughter. Hi. She's really good in reading.
Yes.
She's our top student.
Yes, they are. They have very intelligent children. They are very good readers and good in the classes. They always help the other students when for reading. Were they always interested in school?
Kanang kuan ba daw sila sa eskwela te? Kanang ganahan sila ganahan sila eskwela jud.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you read with your children?
Magbasa mo ko ba nila or tuduan niyo mo sila kuan?
Aw sila ra managot.
Their own.
Their own.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yahay ra na sila answer silang module.
Mm.
Na nila.
They answer their module alone.
Wow. Responsible children. Very
Yeah.
good. And how many children do you have? Four. Okay. All right. So and we gave him some books the other day. If you saw that video, we during the typhoon. Before the typhoon, we gave away many books, and unfortunately, because of the typhoon, most of those books were lost. At least in this area, because this area got pretty hit harder than other ones, it seems like. But we got a lot of those books back, so that's really good. Thank you for the box the other day. But all right, I guess we're gonna go to the store now and order these, so hopefully soon they can get going on the house. So,
Ato Sami, bye-bye.
so we'll see you guys later. Thank you again, Canada, and everyone else. It really means a lot. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so we just ordered the materials for Rony. And also Cecilia made another list. And with Rony, that's probably the same thing as well. You know, this is a list for right now, so this is not the final. I mean, eventually he'll probably need some more things. But for today, this is what we got. So Rony, you guys can just see it up close. This is some of the things that he ordered. And then the total for him today, you know, this is not the final, but it's 17,300. And then while we're there, Cecilia, that's Gorio's daughter, she did order some more wood. And you can see this is just wood and nails. And that came out to a total of 10,275. So that was a combined donations from the other video you saw, so thanks for that. And then the remainder of that, 25,500, I named you guys, and then the rest of that was from Peace Be With You, so you know who you are for that, so thank you so much. And then of course today's from Rony, that's from Canada, so thank you much for Canada. So yeah, I guess that's for today. We ordered everything, at least for Rony and Cecilia, and then for Gorio, that stuff should be coming in very soon. And then for Jenny Lynn, her husband needs to make a list. And then for Dodo, he wasn't there, and we'll try to get someone to make a list for him. And then hopefully soon we can get those ordered. And then we did drop by some other houses today, and their husbands weren't home, at least the people that kind of know how to make a list. And they're gonna make a list, and then we'll stop by them later. So we have a few more houses to go to, probably tomorrow you'll see us. But anyway, thank you guys so much. This is awesome. Now everyone that lost their home hopefully can eventually get their house back very soon. So I guess that's today's video. How you doing, Richie? She's trying to make me laugh. So right now you can really smell the coconut. We actually made a video here before and it didn't have nearly as much coconut as now. And this is all like the inner meat part. This is all filled, and then all over here, and then all these bags. In that building there, you can see there's bags, and all of this is filled. So you can just imagine how it smells right now. It's really not so bad, but that's just the smell we're smelling. But anyway, I guess we'll take off. You want to say any ending words, Richie?
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty, yes. It's very init today, and we're gonna go get some water, I think. So I think that's the rest of the plan today, is just get hydrated. So I guess, but thank you again to everyone. I can't say that enough, and everyone's very, very appreciative. You know, sometimes it's hard for them to express it just because, you know, English is not their first language, but they're very, very appreciative, and everyone is. So thank you guys so much, and I guess that's today's video. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.